Hi, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making some rock bounce, and this is a very simple recipe. And I want you to come through with me as we make this. It's so simple, it's fluffy, and it is so good. First, we are going to be needing some flour. Yes, we'll need some soft flour, and the measurement, like always, will be in the description. We added nutmeg, some baking powder, and also some sugar. What we'll do next is to bring everything into a good mix. We'll create a well and we'll go ahead to introduce our margarine. You can use butter if that is what you have available, and it's good to use butter as well. Yeah, mix these with your hands and then ensure that everything is properly combined. You want to get a crumbling consistency just like this. The measurements will be in the description, which will help you to make this so simple. If you achieve something like this, just create a well in the middle and you want to go in with your egg, okay, and also your milk. You can use water if that is what you prefer, but the milk adds some extra taste to this, and that is why I want us to use milk in this video. In case you are making a more rock bounce, yours is going to be more than this, then you have to double whatever thing you have here. I added some extra milk, and you want to achieve a consistency like this. Okay, this is just okay. Yeah, you don't want to mix too much. If you mix too much, you are going to activate the gluten, and we don't want that to happen. So this is perfect. Grease some margarine into your baking pan just like this, and then go ahead to put everything in it. Okay, you can use oil if you don't have margarine or butter. Use oil to grease into your pan, and then the next thing you do is to put it in. Okay, because you want this irregular shape and all of that, you want to just put it in it like this. You don't want to smoothen the surface because you want to have that rock feel, and this is what we have right here. All you are going to do at this stage is to put this into an oven, and then we are going to be baking this at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Okay, this will also depend on the type of oven you are using, so you can check up on it time to time. Poke some toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, then your rock bounce is just ready. And this is what we have here. It is so good. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments. Also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.